So now, I am going to pour the batter into the cup. Into the muffin.
Just do it with that thing only. Don't need the spoon, really.
Yeah, that's enough. That was almost very
Pour, my baby. You need to pour those cupcakes until they are full. Not full, but full. Nana, the other ones that is buttered. Yeah, that one is not buttered. Why are you pouring into that one? And it's not buttered. I'll butter them if you still have more.
I don't think I'm gonna have.
That's why I buttered 4. But if we need, I can butter more. Then whatever is left, put it in the one in the oven already. Pour. And the first one you poured, just pour a little bit more. Pour, my baby, pour. Pour.
This one?
Yes. Till where it's buttered. Fill them up. Oh. The first one you started with is a bit empty, my baby. Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough. Okay, then fill the other ones up too.
This is, guys, this is not as easy as it looks. Because this electricity stove wastes a lot, and I mean a lot of electricity.
Unlike our gas stove there.
I wish we had a gas
stove that has an oven, ne?